Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're with my dad again because we done the Get Naked challenge, and we're going to be doing right. So maybe we have squishies, and one person closes their eyes and picks one out. And say if I got this, we need to draw that on. So yeah. By the way, I've done this with my friend Bethany. Like I think that was my second video. I'm not sure, but it was really fun. So I thought I'd do it again with my
So
dad.
you want me to pick one?
Rock, paper, scissors, who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors, shit. Rock, paper, scissors, shit. Rock, paper, scissors, shit. Right, you go first. Yeah, the bottom kind of.
I've got a wee dog. So I need to draw a dog's head. Dad draws.
So
Oh, we need to do the same one.
okay. Oh, and at the end, if you want to know who won, put Team Dad or Team Taylor. So yeah, right.
This is my effort just to show you. Go back.
Okay, so this is my dog. By the way, none of us are blooming. Oh my god, keep
Do
that
you like to
out.
pick one? Anything to do?
Oh my god. Okay, so we got a poo one.
Okay then.
I'm rubbish at drawing poos, by the way. I'll just set it in the front. I do think that's amazing.
Here's my two. Have you got it?
And there's my poo.
I think Taylor's was quite good that time. So it's me to pick one again.
Wait, you keep us.
What's that?
Oh, this is kind of just like a cake.
When we do that
thing.
one, that's rubbish.
Okay then. Samaran.
No, is it no a wee top thing?
Samaran.
Right, there we go.
Oh, how the heck start this?
I've got to say mine is quite rubbish actually. Because it's a hard one to do. But you maybe like it.
Oh my god, mine looks like an onion.
Mine looks like a mess. But you maybe like it.
That's my turn.
Don't try and find one you like to draw.
I'm not. I don't even know.
Hurry up please. Oh, slice of bread.
With a face. That should be easy enough. Mine more looks like a phone.
Here's my bread. Don't know what you think it looks like. but I think it's pretty good.
I think kind of the heart cheeks. Did you do? That's actually good. Put them in a pile.
Oh,
Well, just do the body, because
just the face.
I mean the face.
We just do the face, yeah. Just doing the face bit.
You need to squash it.
So like that, maybe see it better.
Yeah.
Here's my one, just to let you have a wee look at the lake. Pretty good. And that'll be so thanks for watching.
Okay, so we've done 4 and
Five.
yeah, I mean 5, and yeah. So remember to like and subscribe. Oh, and comment down below who won, Team Dad or Team Taylor.
Bye.
Bye. Peace out.